Hey guys, it is Dani'i and welcome to this video. And so guys, the names that have been retired from both the 2019 and 2020 Atlantic hurricane seasons are now out, and so we also know what the replacements are alongside another update. And so guys, before I go into details, please subscribe and tap the bell so you know every time when I post a new update. Okay guys, so we know what names are retired from, as I said, 2019 and 2020 seasons, and those names that are retired are Dorian, Laura, Eta, and Iota. And so what are the replacements now? So Dorian is replaced with Dexter, we have Laura being replaced with Leah, and we have Eta and Iota being retired. And so the World Meteorological Organization is looking to not use the Greek alphabet as the auxiliary list, and I believe instead that they're going to be creating another alternative list should in case a season runs out of storm names that will be used, and it will include the letters that are not currently used on a normal list, because there are 26 letters of the alphabet and only 21 are used because it will be difficult to find suitable names. So they will just be included in an auxiliary list. If should in case, for example, let us say that Elena is the name on the auxiliary list and it was a destructive storm and it's to be retired, it'll be much easier because it would be infeasible to retire a Greek alphabet. So the Greek alphabet will no longer be used to be the auxiliary list for hurricane season should in case it runs out of names. And so guys, that is really the update. So guys, what do you think of the retirements? Do you think that any more names should have been retired? And what do you think about the replacement names as well? Please let me know in the comments below. And so guys, that is it for this video. And if you found it to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up. And you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best innocent as I can. And just remember to always be weatherwise. And of course, I will keep giving the necessary updates as time goes by. And join me next Monday for another hurricane season countdown video.